part number 1, we have airbox. Woo! It says PRL on it. Ooh, the piece de resistance filter. All right, then we have this thing. It's a little bracket thingy. Next up, we have the MAF housing. Ooh, fancy, pretty. Hardware, brackets, tube. So I'm assuming this means that this is carb compliant, so that's cool. Bye-bye. Step 1, I believe it's take this little bracket inlet thing off. So what do you got? You got a clip there, bolt there, bolt there, bolt there. I think that's it. Okay, now that we got these guys out, anyway, I think there's a bolt way down there that we got to get. What the hell? So right now Haley is undoing the MAF sensor. We have this whole front bracketry thing under her arm out. And we have, I think, all the bolts for the airbox out. Or maybe there's one in the back that we're not quite at yet. But anyway, she's taking the MAF off. And then we're just going to keep working our way that way. What was that? Yeah. I want it. MAF done. Now Haley's working on the hose clamp number 1 and hose clamp number 2 right there. Alright, progress, boys, progress.
I forgot about that part.
Woo!
Oh, here, Jason.
Yeah. Okay, now with that top part of the airbox off, we have much easier access to whatever the hell that clip thing is in the back right there. The video I watched claimed that thing is a rubber grommet. Oh!
Yep. That's what it is.
It's a rubber grommet.
Oh, it is.
Cool.
Oh. I think I might have to
it's just a little stud looking thing. Alright.
No, I think it comes
Old airbox out.
No, it comes with it.
Oh, thank God.
Now that we got everything off, we have Haley over here cooking up the assembly of the new stuff, I guess. We have no idea what we're doing, so... Okay, so I guess first step is put the MAF housing on the filter here. Okay, little update for you guys. We have not found anything instruction-wise that looks like what we saw online. So there's supposed to be, let me see. Everything I've seen online has this bolt going through a big long spacer. Ours does not have the spacer, and I don't know if we need it or not. So right now we're trying to prep the box, the entire airbox here, before we put it in the car. So currently we installed this. This is supplied with the kit. So that's all we did so far, is install this piece. Okay, so on the OEM airbox that you pull out, there's going to be a little rubber and metal thing here. Let's see, thank you, Haley. This thing, you're going to need to pull it out of the OEM airbox, and you got to put it in the new one. And to be honest, I don't know where. But, where, Jason?
Right here.
Wait, where? Oh, in this bracket? Okay, so that thing you pull off on the OEM airbox, this thing, goes into this bracket supplied from PRL. So Haley ended up getting this. You can see, let's just say it's a pain in the butt. So we ended up using, well, she ended up using these guys and kind of just shoved each little rubber piece through. I don't know if that makes any sense, but yeah. And so now we're gonna finally put it on. That was a pain in the butt. Okay, so all the videos we see on the install show a spacer here on this long bolt. We didn't get that. We just got this long bolt here, and we got this big rubber piece. So on the new upper bracket, we put this rubber piece, and in the top of the rubber piece, we drilled through, or excuse me, we didn't drill, but we took that long Allen and put that all the way through and threaded it into the bottom, just like that. And so now this is going to be the top bracket, and this is going to go into the airbox somewhere. I'm not quite sure where yet. So now we're just installing the upper bracket first. I guess that kind of makes sense, because then we're going to put the whole freaking thing on. Okay, we officially have the airbox prepped. Now we're putting the filter on. It's in the MAF, it's connected to the MAF housing here. So we're putting the filter in the airbox. And then we put it in the car. We got everything prepped in the airbox, and now we set it in the vehicle, and we just got to put it in the brackets and tighten everything up, I think.
Yeah, you're good, dude. Look at it.
Update number 72. This rubber piece on the bracket is a freaking bitch, dude. We actually ended up using a little silicone lubricant to slide it in, and we took the whole thing out to do it. And those guys. A little persuasion. Yeah, a little persuasion as well. So anyway, now it's time to get it in the car, hopefully. Haley is the MVP. She got it.
We're about to find out in like 2 minutes.
Tip number 1762 for y'all. Before you put this box in, put the tube on the box or, you know, something like that, because you put the whole box in without the tube. Good luck getting the tube on. Ask me how we learned that one. Alright, we got the tube on, we got the airbox in. Haley's buttoning up the last bolts, tightening everything up. All we gotta do is tighten those hose clamps, plug in the MAF, and I think we're finally good. I totally forgot that we have a little thingy. Where is it? There it is. We have this little guy we gotta put on. Alright,
Yay!
it's officially installed. Nice job, round of applause. Okay, let's go drive it. Let's ride it.